Now, here is one of the longest running e-magazines on the internet. This publication is focused on email marketing for small businesses and home-based businesses, and they generally get about 500 new subscribers every month. They have a total of around 63,000. And basically, the subscribers of this company, DEMC, you can go to their site, demc.com, are almost exclusively people involved in business. So a lot of the readers are business owners, a lot of who do business online, a lot of entrepreneurs, opportunity seekers, and business professionals. So this is perfect for you if you market to the make money niche or business opportunity or anything related to business.